welcome to James Powell channel, where we give tech, news, and more. And this episode is brought to you by Augustin Farms 2-week 1-person emergency food supply. If you are needing emergency food, please go to jjmediaonline.net/emergency. That's jjmediaonline.net/emergency. Click the link below and you can get your emergency supply. We don't know what's going to happen today, tomorrow, the next week, the next month, the next year. But be prepared, be ready, and go order your emergency supply today. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, connect with us on our social media channels. So now, let's get into today's video.
Democratic lawmaker endorses Trump, citing his positive impact on African American community. Whoops, what? Huh? And of course, this is the same day as the this is April 15th. This was yesterday's news. A Georgia Democrat has jumped across the aisle and is endorsing President Trump in the 2020 re-election bid. Whoa! Whoa! Georgia State Rep. Vernon Jones became the state's first elected Democrat to throw his support behind the president's 2020 re-election on Tuesday. He described Trump as a transformative figure in politics whose policies have helped Black Americans, veterans, and farmers, according to the outlet. It's very simple to me. President Trump's handling of the economy, his support for historically Black colleges, and his criminal justice initiatives drew me to endorse his campaign. Jones, who himself is Black, added that he is impressed with how Trump's policies have positively impacted Black Americans, and that his endorsement does not mean he intends to change parties. So it's going to be interesting to watch this. Hopefully I can follow this up and watch this story, because the Democrats he's probably done in the Democrat Party. The Democrats hate it. They detest Trump. But he goes ahead and says, one courageous man in the crowd is a majority. I've got the courage to express my convictions. Isn't that, you know what? I don't care what party you are, but whatever your principles are, stick with them and stay with them. It's easy to debate someone that is like that. But these that flip-flop, all the time, hey, more power to him. While the Democrats' support might be welcome news to Republicans, members of his own party, right there, are not pleased with the lawmaker. He's probably done. He is probably done in the Democrat Party. And look at this. They're already describe Jones as an embarrassment. The Democrats cannot handle anyone that disagrees with them. They cannot carry on a debate with, it's either their way or no way. It's crazy. It's crazy. So, I guess I'm saying all this to say, stick to your principles, whatever they are. So what? We disagree. We can disagree agreeably. We can still be friends. He says, President Trump is the most action-oriented president of my lifetime. He is the leader of our country needed. Isn't that, man, I respect him. That is awesome. Oh my. All right. Okay, going from that to Trump was right all along. Studies find most NYC COVID cases came from Europe. In the bygone era, before we were trapped in our caves and dreaming of the days when we could go outside, like February, we were told that banning travel to Europe might not be the best idea. You see, the bottom line is the liberals were trying to sabotage. That's what this is all about, trying to sabotage Trump all the way around. That's what it's about. Even then, people were still divided over the necessity of President Donald Trump's decision to stop travel to China and Europe, though that seemed to reek of alarmism. It turns out, after a few weeks that feel like years, Trump was right. And there's a video about Dershowitz. On Wednesday, New York Times reported that most of the COVID-19 cases in New York City had come from Europe initially. Hello. The conclusion was reached via 2 different studies of mutations in the coronavirus genome. 2 research teams said work with samples taken from New Yorkers since mid-March. The study revealed that the disease had been circulating in the city since mid-February, and most of the people took it back from Europe. So, Trump was right again. So, whether you like it or not, like him or not, the bottom line, let's put America first. It doesn't matter what country you are or what party you are with. Let's put America first. Save our country for our kids and our grandkids and ourselves. That's what it's all about. And let's disagree agreeably. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, connect with us on our social media channels. And I will leave, as always, the links to the articles in the description. There's a PayPal link below if you want to support us. That'd be fine. Our sponsors, thank you very much. Have a great day. We will see you on the next video.